right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. You guys in for a real treat today. But jumping right in, I had to hurry out of the laydown this morning to help someone move an ice machine. That was right about 6:05 a.m. So this is where the ice machine used to be. I didn't really get a before picture, but I labeled the cover just so anyone else that comes along in the future, which is probably going to be us, knows what the panel is and where the circuits are. But anyways, here is the ice machine, and this was downstairs, like I said, right there, where I just showed you the picture. So anyways, they took this upstairs 5 stories and put this into a room that's being turned into a kitchen. So it was on this little pallet jack. So I went ahead and just slid that off of the wall a little bit so we could get some working clearance to wire that up on the back. Pull this wire in. Worked on this probably like 3 or 4 weeks ago, probably in one of the videos I showed you. Anyways, Steven finished it down to the wall into the junction box, and then went ahead and switched the back out right here, wired that up. It was a little bit longer from the floor to the ceiling, so switched that out with some LMFC, wired that up, and then from there we rushed downstairs about 7:45, and we had to go back into the MPU, one of the surgery rooms. So we had to go back into the hallway and open up the ceiling with a containment cart, and we had like 45 minutes. So what we did was basically I don't even know, I can't even say it, talked as fast, but anyways, basically opened up the ceiling, pulled out the old wire that was in this pipe into the hallway. So basically took off the cover, pushed the wire out backwards. I pulled that out. I wasn't sure if there was wire nuts in there, so that's why we opened up the ceiling to make sure there was any wire nuts so I could pull the wire out. And then we went to the other room with the containment cart, pushed the fish tape through, got stuck in that box that was in the hallway, went back to the hallway with the containment cart, and then pushed the fish tape through, and then figured out from there, once we got the fish tape out the other side of the pipe again, all the way back to the panels, figured out we were going to do 37, 38, 39, and 41 because they were all spare circuits. So from there, I just figured I was going to run down into this panel, but we later changed our minds. As you can see, we set up the wire here for a black, red, blue, black wire pull, and we do have the phased whites, so a white red, a white blue, a white black, and a second white black. Did label the 2 blacks different 37 and I think it was 41 on that, so we labeled those, or no, it was 37 and 38, so we labeled those. We got all that done, pulled the wire in, and we before we pulled the wire in, it was like we had like 3 minutes to spare to get out of the hallway before they started surgeries at like 8:30, so we got out of there like 8:27. Anyways, as you saw in the last picture, went ahead and got all the wire pulled in, got that made up, as Steven already got 2 of the plugs done yesterday into the junction box up above the ceiling, got the last 2 finished and tied in with the new four circuits that we pulled in. As you can see right here, here's the junction box. Did a little offset out of that pipe that was hanging there this morning, mounted a box to the wall, and then we're just going to 90 straight over into that 18 by 18, I think it is, that we did a shutdown in before, and we pulled out like 22 or 27 circuits. So we have like 25 extra spare circuits in that junction box, and we're gonna just take out 4 of those for those receptacles, and that was it. All right, everybody, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it was a really busy day, non-stop all day long, but the day blew by really fast because of that, and it was a really good day, and I just feel like I got a lot accomplished, and everything went really smoothly, so it was a really good day. That pretty much wraps it up. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help out the channel. That'll do it. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace.
Bag up, bag up.
All right, so we're doing some extra credit here after work. Circuit 6 was off. I just turned it back on right here, so now it should be working. I'm gonna go check it in the bathrooms. I did check the panel schedule on the other side. Number 6 is for the toilets, so we're gonna go check that back out, and it should be good now. Dear diary, today at 3:28 p.m. I won my first bet against Steven, and I screamed out loud.
Hear that chirping? That's a happy nut.